ଆଜିର ଏଇ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିରେ ଆମେ କିଛି ଇଡିୟମ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ରେଜେସ୍ ଜାଣିବା। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଜାଣିବା। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱାର୍ଡ ନୁକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ କର୍ଣ୍ଣର, meaning everywhere. Example: the police searched the criminal in every nook and corner. Next word, pros and cons, meaning merits and demerits. Example: before signing this agreement, you must understand all its pros and cons well. Next, hue and cry, meaning great noise. Example: a lot of hue and cry was raised in Parliament against this bill. Next, Tom, Dick and Harry, meaning everyone. Example: every Tom, Dick and Harry knows that Virat Kohli is the greatest cricketer. Next word, not born yesterday, meaning wise man. Example: you cannot befool me as I was not born yesterday.